This is the Z18. It's a beautiful AMOLED lit screen, 1.39-inch sports fitness watch with ambient mode timing in either digital analog style, whichever you'd like, or you can have it go completely off if you want to. Big selection of watch faces and downloadable from a server as well. You've got basic controls in here, Bluetooth tethering, overall system where you can change the clock style, the idle clock or the ambient one, and the timing on both of those. Lots of controls here. You've got vibration strength and brightness settings. Language, it may show up in Chinese on this one, so you'll set it to English right there. USB mode for transferring music over here to the watch, and basic system information as well. You also have your step count, your last night's sleep information, your heart rate, and the weather in your area. And all of these also have sub-menus down below them, so be sure you slide up to check those things out. Charts of continuous heart rate, stuff like that. You have a music player built into this one, 4 gigabytes of storage to let you play songs that you transfer over from your music collection. You are able to do that and or play remotely from your phone. So lots of capabilities, including tethering to earbuds from this one. It really is a sport enthusiast's watch to the max. Great watch faces. It comes with a TPU band. Your choice of colors is a silver with an orange band. It's got, I haven't even peeled the back off. Look at that, it's brand new. You got your charger on the back. Thin speaker right here with Bluetooth calling right where you want it, so you can put it right up to your ear if you're wearing it on your left arm. Great watch. It's called the Z18. Check it out.